Hey family, welcome back to Everything's Major. I'm going to show you how to make the best ultimate barbecue baked bean recipe made perfectly for the holidays, summertime vibes, cookout, barbecue, parties, or dinner. Whatever the occasion, you're going to love this brown sugar barbecue baked beans. So let's make it major. For where two or more are gathered in my name, there am I with them. Matthew 18:20. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. All right, so for our baked beans, we're going to dice one green pepper, one jalapeno pepper, one big red onion, and one shallot. Now we're going to drizzle some avocado oil. Then we're going to add in our diced veggies. Now we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Now saute your veggies till they get translucent. Now we're going to add in some Italian sausage to our baked beans. Now, if you're not a fan of Miss Piggy, you can skip this part. It's optional, but it's going to make our beans even more delicious. Okay, family, it's Bush's baked beans versus Van Camp baked beans. Quick question, let me know down in the comments if you're a fan of Bush's baked beans or Van Camp baked beans. Me personally, I love Bush's. Before adding our beans to the skillet, I drain off the excess oil and fat off our sausage. Now return your sausage and your veggies back into your skillet and add in your baked beans. Now I'm going to pick up one of my favorite barbecue sauces. It has a delicious hint of pineapple juice in it. It makes your beans taste so good. Now add in your barbecue sauce. Add in 1/4 cup of ketchup, some mustard, a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. You can always adjust the sugar to your liking, but these are brown sugar baked beans. Now to get that barbecue smoky flavor, I'm going to add in a tablespoon of liquid smoke. Help us get some smoky flavor to these baked beans, okay? Add in a tablespoon of W sauce, some onion powder, garlic powder, and mix everything well together. Add a little bit more brown sugar, baby, and some barbecue sauce on top because I'm so sweet. Now we're gonna bake this on 350 for 30 to 45 minutes. Some people even bake it for an hour. It's up to you on how you want the texture of your baked beans to be. I like mine still have some texture on it. I don't like mushy baked beans. All right, family, this is the finished product. Our baked beans look so delicious, family. Now, I paired these baked beans with some barbecue chicken. It's like heaven on one plate with some potato salad, and of course, it's Southern style potato salad. Now, if you want this recipe to my barbecue chicken, it will be down in the description box. You're gonna love that recipe, so make sure you check it out. And please, family, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube and share this video with all your family and friends. Everything's smelling good. It looks so delicious. I'm ready for our cookout. Summertime fun. Just summertime everything, okay? Hashtag summertime. Make sure to share this video and return back to my channel for more delicious recipes, ideas, and tips. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourself and each other. And I will see you again real soon next time on Everything's Major. God bless you. Bye. Thank you guys for watching, and please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my new YouTube channel. Take care and God bless. And everything you do, make sure it's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major.